So that took me about 5 seconds, whereas the paper towel took about 5 minutes. Hey, I'm doing a quick review for you on this 12-pack of Swedish Dish Cloths. This is made by the brand Active. They did give this to me, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. We're gonna test this out, and we're gonna go ahead and put this paper towel down. All right, and we're gonna squeeze this. So there's one, we'll lay it down again. So the paper towel is still absorbing. There's 2. All right, we're on 3. We're on number 5. We're getting there. And let's go number 6. And I'm gonna stop there. We're gonna throw this down. This is dry, it's right out of the pack. All right, here we go. Wow, no way, check that out. Still a little dry right there. Let's get that, oh, there we go. Okay, we'll bring this over. So that's one pass. Put this down again. And still, it's not even fully like saturated. That was one pass. So that took me about 5 seconds, whereas the paper towel took about 5 minutes. Here is the fresh one out of the pack, and let me show you the difference as soon as that hits the water. Look at the thickness difference. This was just used in the water, and this is not used. I want to let you see what this looks like when it absorbs the water. Ready? And it automatically just fills it up. It's very, very absorbent. Maybe I'm getting 1 or 2 drips off this thing. There's a drip, there's a drip, okay? So it's gonna hold a lot of water, right? There you have it. See if we can get more of it out of there. It left a little bit of water, but look at how saturated that is. Got a little bit in there, ready? I mean, you're seeing it for yourself. The proof is in the pudding. These things are highly absorbent and they work. Pick these up. You are not going to regret it. I'm very impressed. They did a great job with this. So that is my quick review, and thanks for watching.